It's giving me a code. "8E2. Once the code starts, you can't keep testing them, but I've tested all the buttons and they do operate. They don't seem like they're stuck. That one works. So the next thing I'm going to look at is the control board. I think the control board is behind this rear panel. Just like that. Okay, there's no control board in here. Okay, I'm going to pop this top cover off. Thinking it should slide back. Huh. There it goes. Looks like it just has to slide back some more. There are some screws right here. 1, 2. And we'll take out the drawer. Plus I did have some soap in here, so get that out of the way. We'll take out these 2 screws on the top. Looks like it's stuck on the drawer itself, so let's take that out, slide that back a little bit. So I don't think that this is the problem because all the buttons seem to be good on that. I'm just going to leave that like that. Let's take this out. I'm gonna unplug this thing before I get shocked. So one thing I'm gonna try before I order one of these is just to wiggle all these connectors and maybe just pull them right off. I'll go ahead and unplug all 4 of these, plug them back in. There's a paddle on there that you have to pull out, or squeeze it. Squeeze that little paddle. So you squeeze that and it pulls that clip back. Unplug those. I'm going to plug those back in. Just see if something was getting a poor connection. Wouldn't that be something if that fixed it? Plug it back in. We'll give it a try. I think that fixed it. That's awesome. I'm gonna put the drawer back in, put this front cover on, and see if we can start it up. Screw this back in place because I think it's fixed. Okay. Then we gotta get this one over it. And this goes just like this. Let's give this a whirl. See how this is gonna play out here. It's gonna work. Door locked. There it goes.